Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. And currently in a few trades right now. Everything's going pretty well, as you can see. You can zoom in on this here thing and you know what's going on. I did a sale on CHF JPY, and as you can see, everything's going pretty smooth. You can see my sell line here at 117.16. Everything's going smooth. It's down to 116.84, so it's going pretty smooth right now. I'm down about 30 pips right now as we speak. I trade on EA as well. Things are going down pretty good on that as well. And I also got a trade on EJ. It's going down pretty good right now as well. As you can see, I got a few early entries that kind of went because it has some DD on that. That will be corrected. So I have some heavy DD here. Like I made a few more entries. I knew it was gonna come back to me. So here we go, and the market's moving down. I just kind of let you guys know that I'm still here. I'm still trading. Things are still a lot better. Y'all can see the where the trades were at right here, so it all makes sense right there at that price. So everything running smooth as usual. So just here to make a little short brief video, but Alex Jenkins is checking out.